Hi everyone, hopefully everyone's doing well. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe for daily, weekly skincare education videos. My job is to finding the best skincare product for you and making your routine very effective, and also just helping you set up your day and nighttime routine and going through all of your products to really identifying which one is aligned with your skin type and your skin needs. By the way, I do find your skin type and your skin needs as well by completing a personalized skin mapping session with you online. So if that does sound interesting to you and you would like to book a skincare consultation and a skin analysis session with me, you can follow directly to the link below or link in my bio and yeah, book to see me, and I would love to be a part of your skin journey. So I started doing this session called like key learnings, so key learnings that I have discovered with my clients. Obviously there's a lot of key learnings. The consultation does take up to 2 hours, so there's lots of exchanges, lots of education, lots of like consulting throughout that stage. But what I like to do is just pick a couple of the points that is able to easily transfer to you via video and via education, and it's more of a general advice and hopefully be a light for you for your skincare journey. So without further ado, I wanted to actually say just talk about double cleansing and the importance of double cleansing, because not many people, I'll say, is still hooked up on that double cleansing. So what does double cleansing mean? Essentially it means you cleanse 2 times. So this is generally happens more during the night, so you wouldn't expect it to double cleanse in the morning. In the morning, yes, cleansing is very important, and for me it's one of the most important things, because at night if you are using a retinol, your active ingredients, what you want to do is you want to prepare your skin for the day. So you start off fresh, and then you go with your serum, and then you go with your cream and your SPF, so it's able to penetrate into the skin easier, and you start off fresh. It's like more of a fresh feeling, and that's why cleansing in the morning is so important for me to get the most out of your skincare game, I'll say. And at night, double cleansing is so important, especially if you are a person, and you should be that person, that applies SPF, reapplies the SPF throughout the day. So it's so important to double cleanse your skin, so you are getting rid of all the impurities, the makeup, the SPF, the pollution, irritants, dead skin cells that is sitting on top of the surface of the skin, to decongest your skin, clarify, but hydrate and repair your skin as well. So there's a lot of skin needs could be answered by just using your cleanser. And double cleansing especially is very required because one cleanser is not able to deep cleanse your skin. So think of it as a double cleanse, as a deep cleanse. So if you double cleanse, you will be deeply cleansing your skin, deeply purifying the skin. So whatever you put on top of that, because your skin is fresh, it's clean, it's purified, is able to get absorbed better and make a creative difference, like make a proper difference onto the skin. Both of these cleansers, by the way, would be different, so you wouldn't double cleanse with the same product. You can do, but I always say it's better if you double cleanse with 2 different formulations. So for example, if you dry skin, you can, first cleanse would be a balm or an oil, then you follow up with a cream cleanser. If you're more oily to congested, again, these are rule of thumb, they're not specific to your skin type, but let's say if you're oily congested, you can either do an oil cleanse and then you go with a gel cleanse, or you can do a cream based cleanse then go with a gel cleanse. So that's kind of like the methodology that we follow in terms of double cleansing. 2 different consistencies and 2 different skin needs are covered. One is to hydrate the skin, remove the makeup, remove the dead skin cells. The second one is more to clarify the skin or hydrate the skin. It depends, like it really depends on what's your end results that you want. But go for double cleansing anyway. So this client specifically, she wanted to double cleanse, but her skin didn't really need that stay in AHA or BHA because she was using her AHA in the morning. So I was like to her, then for your double cleanse, what we can do is for your second part of your double cleanser, your second cleanser, we can include an AHA BHA cleanser that contains a combination of salicylic acid and glycolic acid together. So that will essentially help with really cleansing the dead skin cells off the top of the skin. It will kind of decongest the skin as well, help with the clarification process, and also like chemically exfoliate the skin to reveal more of a softer, more of a glowing skin tone. Remember, if you are cleansing with the AHA BHA cleanser, then you really do not want to also use an exfoliating toner on top, because you're already getting that ingredients what you require in your cleanser routine. So you don't need to overdo it on your glycolic acid or your BHA as well. So for that reason, what I recommended her to, one, make the most out of her cleanser and to make sure that AHA BHA is really making a skin deep like impact is to actually leave contact time. And this is very important because especially if you are using a cleanser that one, you pay a lot of money to, because the more active ingredients that you have in your cleanser, the more expensive they are, generally are. And two is to really make that difference, because you know, it's something that you cleanse very, very quickly and then you wash up very, very quickly as well, is not going to make you any difference on your skin because there's no contact time. So in order to create that contact time, especially with cleansers that include that active ingredients, is that one, you want to make sure that you properly massage that cleanser into the skin. So you massage it a couple of minutes, and the secondly is you want to leave contact time. So then after you massage, you just leave it to sit on the surface of the skin for, let's say, like a couple of minutes. You can then maybe brush your teeth while you're doing it. You can just, I don't know, whatever you do for a couple of minutes, just leave that contact time. And then after that 2 minutes is then you go and wash off with water. But what you are doing now by providing that contact time is your skin is absorbing, because remember, it's already cleansed from your first part of your cleanser. So you're giving your skin enough time to really like absorb that AHA BHA that will hopefully help reveal more of a glowing appearance. And trust me, by just doing this, by just giving your skin that couple of minutes extra contact time with the AHA BHA cleanser, you will see greater benefits, and you're making your products and your skincare routine much more effective as well. So hopefully that was a very quick tip, but a very important quick tip that you can hopefully just incorporate into your day from today. And obviously, as I always say, there's always more to learn, more to share, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment of what you want me to cover in my future videos, and I'll definitely make sure that I'll cover these for you, because my aim is to provide you with the education and with the guidance to hopefully make you achieve your dream skin. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.